something shitty on a dating site, like someone pretends they're someone that they're not, or someone tries to, steal your money, or talks to you for 2 months and then ghosts you. Don't beat yourself up. This shit happens all the time, okay? It's the reason why lots of people don't like to use online dating sites. But there are really good things that come out of the dating sites. I met my boyfriend on Match.com. I know lots of people that have met their people on dating sites. So don't get, so angry and mad that you decide that you're not going to date anymore, okay? Just take a breath, take a beat, and say, shit, I can't believe that happened to me. Do you know how many times that shit has happened to me? Have you read my book? Have you guys read Midlife Priceless? I talk about it in the end of the last chapter. Oh my God, if you could see all the shit that happened to me on dating sites, you guys wouldn't believe it, okay? You wouldn't believe it. So just take a beat and then start up again, okay? I'm sticking to it. Follow for more.